How to reset your eToro password. If you've forgotten the login password for your eToro account and then would like to reset it, it's rather quite simple for us to do so. All we have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the eToro application, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. What you want to do from here is just tap on the sign in button from here, and when you tap on sign in, it will ask you to enter your email or password. So go ahead and then make sure to enter your email or password right here, but that was only if you had remembered your credentials. Now, since we forgot our password, one way that we can log in is if you have linked using your Facebook or Google, you can link and directly log in with those without entering your password. But if not, just tap on the forgot password button that you can see, then just enter the email address under which your eToro account was associated with. Then you can tap the submit button. Then if there is a eToro account with using that email, it will send a verification code, after which once you verify it, you can enter a new password without having to remember your old password. This is the way on how we can reset our eToro password. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.